Dude, I'm gonna get that thing that directors use when they say cut. What is that called?
I forget. I've used it before and I can't even remember what it's called. It's like a slap something. I don't know. All right, ready?
Yeah.
All right, welcome back to our channel. All right, welcome back to our channel, Tech Basin. And today we are doing something a little different again. This is something I think we should do like at least like once a week. Think of it as a new segment. Long story short, in this segment, I think that we should pick one piece of technology and discuss our thoughts on it, if it actually improved humanity and quality of life. Is it useful? Do we see longevity in it? Is it something that's going to be around for a while? And if it's, long story short, just a good invention to have based on today. And so for our first gadget that I want to, talk about today in this video, I think we should cover robot vacuums. So with that being said, Rico, let me ask you, what are your thoughts on robot vacuums?
I think robot vacuums are useless. Well, okay, let me take that back. I think they have a use um for the purpose of vacuuming, but I think they are useless when it comes to efficiency. Um just because I don't think they'll be able to get every corner or section in the house. I think for the most part they can generally vacuum the general areas in a house that needs to be vacuumed, but I don't think you can get everything. So what I really think, well, actually, so instead of saying it's useless, I should say it's half useful.
Okay.
But
Oh,
did it revolutionize the way we vacuum things? Absolutely not. I think it's just a helpful tool to use. But overall, if you really want to vacuum your house, you probably need to do it yourself and have a really, really strong and powerful vacuum device.
yeah, and I mean, just to chime in there, like I feel like I mostly agree. Um, I know I see what you're saying, like in terms of it won't be able to reach everything because of like I guess because they're typically round, and sometimes corners are square, and you can't get into those corners. And then also like just when I'm looking around, like even just a room here, I have a desk. There's stuff under the desk, like it can't get underneath certain things, so I would almost have to do the chore myself anyways by moving things out of the way for it to get into those areas anyways. So um yeah, I wouldn't say it's useless because having one is I guess useful, like if you're like eating and you accidentally like drop crumbs on the ground, having something that automatically just comes by anyways throughout the day, I could see it being useful in that sense. um I think it's even more useful when I don't know if you've seen those countertops, like they're not super common, but I've seen them in videos where like at this millionaire's house they have vacuums installed into the bottom of their counters, and they're robot vacuums. Like they go sweep around, and then also like it like pushes like any dust to the edge, and so everything that's on the edge of the in the floor of the counter, like it like vacuum sucks like all the other stuff that's left over. I think that's kind of cool. But yeah, I think long story short, I think we agree on this topic, that there's no real true necessity for those, since like I said, like it almost feels like you got to do the chore before the chore is done for you, which kind of intuitive. But I say since this didn't go so long, I think we kind of spice things up and ask Chat GPT what they would say on give some.
I'll ask Perplexity.
Okay, how about we do a little Chat GPT versus Perplexity? You want to share your screen?
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay.
All right. So, what? Wait, what my the question would be? What would the question be? We're
Okay.
asking a robot
Can you give me
on
some?
on its opinion of robot vacuums.
Yeah, my bad.
What's your
Anyways,
prompt? So mine is going to be: do you feel that robot vacuums are useful?
can you give me some reasons
Can you
why robot
give me some
vacuums
reasons why robot vacuums
are beneficial?
are beneficial?
Prompt.
That's it?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's see what Perplexity says.
So I was.
Wow. Okay. All right. Here's Perplexity's answer. Robot vacuums have gained popularity for the convenience and efficiency in maintaining clean living spaces. Here are several reasons why they are considered beneficial. Time saving. Well, of course, it saves time because we're not doing it. Improve cleanliness and hygiene. Robot vacuums can enhance the cleanliness of your home by effectively removing dust, allergens, and debris. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with allergies or respiratory issues. Oh, that makes sense. But how? Um, let's see. Consistent cleaning schedules. You know what? I can kind of see that. If it continues to vacuum common areas, that does actually, that is kind of helpful.
Like reducing
Ex
dust and no, yeah.
Reducing dust. So it's like by the time we get to the job, it's not like it's a lot to do, right? Because the robot vacuum already took care of it. Let's see. Accessibility and convenience. These vacuums are designed to reach hard to access areas that traditional vacuums often miss, such as under furniture and in corners. You know, I didn't even think about that. It can go under the couch.
Yeah.
Additionally, many models can be controlled via smartphone apps, enabling users to start or schedule cleanings remotely. So we can even start it while we're not at home. Okay. I can see some usefulness in that. Smart features. It's modern robot vacuums come equipped with advanced navigation technology. They utilize sensors and mapping capabilities to efficiently plan cleaning routes, avoid obstacles, and even detect areas that require extra attention due to higher foot traffic. Yo, that's pretty useful. Okay, the smart features is useful.
One more time.
Smart features. Modern robot vacuums come equipped with advanced navigation technology. They utilize sensors and mapping capabilities to efficiently plan cleaning routes, avoid obstacles, and even detect areas that require extra attention due to higher foot traffic.
I thought you were just going to summarize and not just read it again. But
Yeah,
okay.
I can't
Okay.
summarize it that quick.
No, so like
No, but that's pretty
basically
useful
it just is smart in how it goes about its route. It
about
just
cleaning. Yeah,
yeah, okay,
it's
sure.
also quiet, I
Okay.
like that. I like quiet,
Self-charging.
self-charging, and it's ideal
Uh
for various lifestyles. So for people who are busy, this is actually this works. You know, I also think people who have big houses. You know, this actually changed my opinion
Let's see what
on.
ChatGPT says. Okay.
Okay, should I just copy and paste this into my prompt since we're looking at my screen
What? Uh
so we can see the results on my screen?
yeah, sure, cuz I mean,
Okay.
I have it pulled up, but that's probably easier. I'll close mine.
Yes, robot vacuums can be very useful. Here are several reasons why they are
Bruh, it
beneficial.
does not sound like that. All right, let's see. Robot vacuums can be useful. Here are some good reasons. Long story short, time saving. Vacuums clean your floors automatically, freeing up time for you to focus on other tasks. Convenience. Vacuums are programmable or can be controlled via a smart app. Okay. Compatible with like Alexa or Google. Okay. Efficient cleaning. They have some advanced features like sensors, mapping technology. Okay. Low maintenance. While you need to empty the dust bin occasionally, robots require minimal effort. Okay. Ideal for daily upkeep. They're excellent for maintaining clean floors in homes with kids and pets, frequent foot traffic. They can sweep dust, pet hair, crumbs, and dirt on a daily basis. Okay. Accessibility. Robot vacuums are great for individuals with mobility issues as they eliminate the physical strain. Okay. That was not in perplexity. Okay.
Yeah, but
Uh quiet operation. Okay, we said that it's quiet. Multi-surface cleaning, modern vacuums can transition seamlessly between carpets, hardwood floors, and tiles. Okay. Cost effective in the long run. While they might seem pricey, their ability to expand the lifespan of your floors with regular cleaning could save time. I
I
guess.
like that. I honestly, I might even buy a robot vacuum now.
And then, well, do you have a pet?
We have two cats,
Oh, okay, yeah. See, I don't have any like dogs or cats, so like I feel like
but you'll still accumulate dust in the house.
yeah, no, but I'm just saying I think that's why like I never thought like, oh, I have to vacuum all the time, like every day throughout the day. You know what I mean? But anyways, smart features. High-end vacuums include mapping. Yada yada yada. So yeah, I mean, so just a side note between ChatGPT and Perplexity, it looked like Perplexity gave a little bit more of like a detailed explanation, whereas ChatGPT kind of kept it minimal. Um,
Right. But
however,
also Perplexity also added the sources
the
of where it got the
sources,
information
okay,
from. Yep.
that's good. And then what else? There, I saw like a related section too
Yeah.
at the bottom.
So it's just more questions, more follow-up questions. How do robot vacuums compare to traditional vacuums? Are robot vacuums effective for pet hair? So just other, questions that relate to
Yeah, I like that. I like that.
the tool.
That's
But I
cool though.
think
It
that
has the sources, and then yeah,
this definitely does change my opinion on robot vacuums. I think they're useful. So what I think we should do next is do a top five robot vacuums. How do you think about that? What do you think? Is that sound like a good
yeah, I'm down with that. We should do that. Okay.
okay. So that pretty much wraps it up, guys, for our discussion on robot vacuums. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Tech Basin, to get updates on topics like this on technology, and be on the lookout for our top five uh, robot vacuums.
Sounds good to me. All right. Catch you guys in the next video.